Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the commercial project 9 Business Bay by Veena Developers located in Malad. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project where you can see this is the actual tower where the construction is in full swing. In this teaser, we will be talking about points like project overview, location, connectivity, amenities, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 1.7 acres that will have a standalone tower of ground plus podium plus 20 office floors. Now, talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located bang on Link Road near In-Orbit Mall, Chincholi Bandar, Malad West, from where Malad railway station is only at a distance of 10 minutes, Malad West metro station is only at a distance of 2 minutes, and Western Express Highway is only at a distance of 20 minutes from the project. And now, talking about the amenities, this project has 50 plus luxurious amenities with entrance lobby, walking track, cafe, lounge area, play area and many more amenities. Now, talking about the configuration and carpet area, as said, this project has office apartments ranging between 470 to 1229 square feet. Also, this project has multiple variations like 470 square feet, 484 square feet, 928 square feet, 964 square feet, 1179 square feet and 1229 square feet. And now, talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project is now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, will show you the actual location and the sample office as well. And then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of the commercial project 9 Business Bay by Veena Developers located in Malad.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.